Midas News has very quickly debunked a very serious prank that was attempted against the Manhattan Criminal Court, where the criminal trial of Donald Trump was held, where Trump was convicted on 34 felony counts. You see, Justice Merchan just issued an order on Friday that states that somebody had posted on the Unified Court System's public face page that their cousin was on the jury and their cousin had said that Donald Trump was going to be convicted. Justice Merchan brought that to the attention of the parties. Midas News went into action immediately to show the origin of this was someone who refers to themselves as a professional shit poster, someone who says Michael Anderson, professional shit poster. Here's a photo right there of this individual. That's actually a photo of G.G. Allen, just so you have a sense of who G.G. Allen is, someone born Jesus Christ Allen, an American punk rock musician who performed and recorded with many groups during his career, whose live performances often featured transgressive acts included self-mutilation, defecating on stage, assaulting audience members, for which he was arrested and imprisoned, and more. We also identified at Midas News that this wasn't just one post that this self-professed shit poster made on Facebook, but it was actually repeatedly done. The Midas News editorial team found numerous other examples where this person was trying to do this. Look, it's unclear, but appears to be that this may be a MAGA person who was trying to interfere with the proceedings to try to cause a mistrial. Look, I don't think there's going to be any consequences at all. I think Justice Merchan did the right thing here of bringing it to the party's attention just so this can be vetted and also so the public could look at it and so the public can do exactly what Midas News just did. Let me just show you Justice Merchan's order right here so you can see it for yourself. You see it says, Dear Counsel, today the court became aware of a comment that was posted on the Unified Court System's public Facebook page, in which I now bring to your attention. In the comment, the user Michael Anderson states, my cousin is a juror and says Trump is getting convicted, with the celebration emoji. Thank you, folks, for all your hard work, with the heart emoji. The comment, now labeled 1 week old, responded to a routine Unified Court System notice posted on May 29, 2024, regarding oral arguments in the 4th Department of the Appellate Division unrelated to this proceeding. The posting entitled, The Appellate Division, 4th Department will hear oral arguments this morning at 10, and the comments are both viewable at, and then it has the Facebook page where you could find it, and it's signed Justice Merchan. Look, I know that Justice Merchan felt duty-bound to transparently tell both parties about this, although undoubtedly it's now going to be used and already is by all of the MAGAs who already create conspiracy theories about everything. But here's what MeidasTouch was able to dig up right away. We went to the Facebook page. You can see it here. The New York Unified Court System. You see it says, New York court system appears to be entirely crooked, Joan d'Arc. And then this Michael Anderson account says, my cousin is a juror and says Trump is getting convicted. Thank you, folks, for all of your hard work. And then there was a response saying, Michael Anderson, thanks. That provides grounds for throwing out any conviction. So, I mean, clearly this was planted and intentional. Again, you go to the account Michael Anderson, you see it right there. The person says professional shit poster. There is a photo of G.G. Allen, who I described earlier in the video. But then we dug up other places where this individual posted as well. Like this is a May 20th post promoting diversity in the courts. For this Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month Diversity Dialogue, we are honored to have the opportunity to chat with the Honorable Jeffrey Oing. And then you see over here, same thing, Michael Anderson's account posted, thank you for all your hard work against the MAGA crazies. My cousin is a juror on Trump's criminal case, and they are going to convict him tomorrow, according to her. Thank you, New York courts. And then there is a heart right there. And that one was from May 20th right there. Here's another one. Thank you for all your hard work against the MAGA crazies. You just see the person's posting it over and over again. The Twitter account Peter Henline writes, so a random Facebook from a self-described professional shit poster shouldn't be able to cause a mistrial. If it can, then it would mean the end of jury trials. Trial not going well? Just have someone write a Facebook comment that their cousin is a juror and is talking to you about the case, and bam, mistrial. Makes no sense at all. Well, when you're a right-winger, when you're a MAGA person, like Cat Turd is the big right-wing influencer account, you see already all the right-wingers are saying mistrial, mistrial, mistrial. And of course, I just want to be very clear with all of you that this will not be grounds for a mistrial. Of course, if there was a juror who was violating their responsibilities and obligations, then that could raise serious questions that could cause a mistrial. But that's not what's happening here. This is someone, obviously, whether they were sent from MAGA or just somebody who finds this to be amusing or likes to cause chaos and havoc who's doing this. It's entirely inappropriate, but that's what's going on there. I want to also share with you another filing that happened moments ago as well. And this one is from Donald Trump's lawyer, Todd Blanche, who is requesting to be able to appear at the pre-sentence probation interview. Remember, now that Donald Trump is a convicted felon, he has to have a pre-sentence probation interview where a probation officer is going to have to go over with Donald Trump if he's been on drugs, Donald Trump's behavior, Donald Trump's conduct. Because Donald Trump is now a convicted felon, Donald Trump will be drug tested. He'll have to give a urine sample. He'll have to report to a probation officer frequently. Kyle Cheney writes, Justin, Trump attorney Todd Blanche gets permission to attend Trump's pre-sentence probation interview. You see right here from Justice Merchan. For the reasons stated in the letter application of Todd Blanche, counsel for defendant, and the people having taken no position, it is hereby ordered that Mr. Blanche is permitted to be present during the pre-sentence investigation interview of defendant in the above referenced case, June 7th, 2024. And so, that'll be an interesting one as well. Donald Trump's not going to be able to fake his weight or height in that one. Donald Trump's not going to be able to not provide a drug test and a urine sample. He's going to be treated like any other convicted felon in the New York system. Look, we're going to keep you posted as we learn more about any developments in the New York criminal case. But I do want to give a hat tip and shout out to our editorial team at MeidasNews.com, who very quickly went into action and debunked this very serious matter within minutes. And that's thanks to all of your support of that team as well. Of course, if you want to support the editorial team at MeidasNews.com, you can do that at patreon.com/MeidasTouch, patreon.com/MeidasTouch. Go check that out. It's a great way to support them, and I think you can see the growth of this independent media platform thanks to your support. That team is led by the great and meticulous Ron Filipkowski. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful day.
Love this video? Make sure you stay up to date on the latest breaking news and all things Meidas by signing up to the MeidasTouch newsletter at MeidasTouch.com/newsletter.